Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Duolingo application. So let's get started. So the first thing that you can do is close the application and open it again. If that doesn't work, you can go to these three dots over here at the bottom right, click on profile and click on settings at this gear icon at the top right. After that, scroll down and click on sign out and sign in again. If that doesn't help you as well, you can simply turn off your Wi-Fi or switch to any strong internet connection such as your mobile data. And if that also doesn't work, you can try restarting your device, or you can go to the App Store, search for Duolingo. If any update is available, you can update your application, or even you can try uninstalling Duolingo application and installing it again. You can also go to settings, go to general over here, scroll down and click on iPhone storage. Over here, you're going to search for Duolingo in this list. If you're not able to find it in the list, you can simply search for Duolingo. Click on Duolingo and you can click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available for download. So if you go through all of these steps one by one, your issue will be fixed and your Duolingo application will be working fine. So that is basically how you can fix Duolingo application. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.